Hello, everybody. Welcome to the final week of the thyroid diet plan series. So, we have reached week 4, and now let's quickly start the diet for Monday for week 4. So, you will start your day with 50 ml wheatgrass juice. For breakfast, have oats idli with sambar and green tea. Then mid morning have your thyroid drink made from carrots, beetroot and mint leaf. For lunch have multigrain roti with rajma salad and buttermilk. Evening you will have green tea and after 30 minutes go for unsalted Brazil nuts. For dinner have brown rice with bajra roti, lauki sabzi, green dal and salad. And for bedtime have coriander seed water. Okay, now coming to Tuesday. You're going to start your day with 50 ml of wheatgrass juice for breakfast. You will have whole grain toast and banana sandwich with one apple. How you will make the whole grain toast banana sandwich? For this, you will need one whole grain bread, raw almond butter, one banana. Once you have these ingredients, slice the banana, spread the butter on the toast and put the sliced banana on it. You're done. With this, include one whole apple. Now, for mid morning, have your hormone balancing drink made from carrot, beetroot, and mint leaf. For lunch, you will have dahi curry with 1 katori brown rice, buckwheat, or multigrain rotis, bhindi sabzi, and salad. And you can mix beans, cucumbers, and carrots for salad. Evening, you will have 1 glass lauki juice, and after 30 minutes, you will have unsalted Brazil nut. For dinner, you will have 1 katori pumpkin sabzi, multigrain rotis, 1 cup curd and salad. And bedtime goes your coriander seed water. Now, let's come to Wednesday. On Wednesday, you will start your day with 200 ml lauki juice. For breakfast, you will have paneer bhurji with multigrain roti and green tea without sugar. Now, mid-morning have your thyroid drink made from half pineapple, handful of parsley, 1 cucumber, half lemon and ashwagandha root powder. For lunch, you will have rajma, multigrain rotis, 1 katori brown rice, salad and 1 cup curd. For evening, you will have lauki juice and after 30 minutes have 3 walnuts. For dinner, you will have lauki sabzi, green dal, multigrain rotis and mixed salad. Bedtime, go for ajwain water. Now coming to Thursday. Thursday, you will start your day with 50 ml wheatgrass juice. For breakfast, have paneer paratha with curd and mid-morning have the hormone balancing drink. To make this drink, use celery, carrots, beetroot, mint and few tulsi leaf. For lunch, you will have mushroom masala with buckwheat roti, green salad and green dal. For evening, you will have 1 cup green tea and after 30 minutes, have unsalted 4 almonds. For dinner, have bhindi sabzi with bajra roti, curd and salad. Bedtime, you will have coriander seed water. Coming to Friday, start your day with 50 ml wheatgrass juice. For breakfast, have a bowl of fruit with few chunks of cottage cheese. Mid-morning have hormone balancing drink made from pineapple, handful parsley, cucumber, lemon and ashwagandha root powder. Now for lunch have black dal with brown rice, 1 or 2 multigrain rotis, buttermilk and salad. Evening try parsley tea and after 30 minutes go for 3 walnuts. For dinner have lauki sabzi, multigrain rotis, leftover black dal from afternoon and salad. Bedtime, go for ajwain water. Now coming to Saturday. Start your day with 50 ml wheatgrass juice. For breakfast, have brown rice idli with sambar, 1 cup green tea without sugar. Now, mid-morning, drink your hormone balancing drink made from carrot, beetroot, mint and tulsi leaf. For lunch, have 1 katori brown rice, bhindi sabzi, green dal, buckwheat roti and salad. Evening, have parsley tea and after 30 minutes have 3 walnuts. Now coming to dinner. Dinner have rajma curry, brown rice, 1 multigrain roti with some salad. And bedtime, go for ajwain water. Now coming to the last and final day of week 4 with which we complete this series, that is Sunday. So you will start your day with 200 ml lauki juice. For breakfast, have oats idli mixed with variety of vegetables. With this, add mixed veg sambar, and you may have green tea. Now coming to mid morning, you will have thyroid hormone balancing drink. Use pineapple, parsley, cucumber, half a lemon, ashwagandha root powder to make this. For lunch, you will have only half watermelon with some salad wherein you can have one carrot and one cucumber. Now you will not have any grains or dal. Now coming to evening, you will have 50 ml of amla juice. You can have this around 5 pm, and after 1 or 1.5 hour, like 6:37 pm, have 1 glass wheatgrass juice. For dinner, have chia seed pudding. I have already shown you how you can make chia seed pudding in my previous videos. For bedtime, have coriander seed water. Now, here are few points which we need to further discuss how you can make this diet plan a success. First, you speak to your doctor. With your doctor, you work on the dosage of your medication, and from time to time, keep monitoring your TSH and your T3 T4. And if you see the diet is working for you, it is important for you to taper down the medication. Now another important point is that you have to exercise daily. I'll make a detailed video on the exercises which will help reduce hypothyroidism in my coming videos. Here I'll just briefly tell you, when you wake up and when you consume the health drink like wheatgrass or lauki juice or amla juice, just go for a 30-minute walk, followed by some yoga exercises like Kapalbhati, Brahmari, Udgit Pranayam and Anulom Vilom. This will significantly help you with your thyroid condition. Next important point is, if you are someone who is consuming alcohol or if you are a smoker, just make sure that you quit these habits, because these habits definitely affect your thyroid functioning. And say no to fast food like burger, pizza, noodles, because these cause inflammation and it makes your immune system weak. Therefore, it increases your risk of hypothyroidism condition. If we talk about gap between meal, you should have a good gap between the meal so that your food gets good time to get properly digested and absorbed. The next important point is keep moving, be active. So our modern lifestyle is such that we wake up from bed, we freshen up, we eat breakfast, then we usually sit in a car and we reach office. Then in the office also we sit and work. So try to include 30 minutes of exercise every day, and it is research proven that if you exercise every day for 30 minutes, it will help you in reducing the hypothyroidism condition. If possible, take a public transport instead of private vehicle, where you get more chance of movement. Another important point is sleep. You need to have very good sleep habits. If you don't have good sleep habit, it disturbs your vat, pitta and kapha. So if you rise early and if you go to bed early, it will keep your biological clock correct and also the mechanism of hormones in the body. It is very important that you pay strict attention to what is your sleep time, wake up time, and how many hours you are sleeping. These are very important. Next important point is keep yourself hydrated. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water per day. Include coriander seed water, detox water, coconut water, fresh vegetable juice. All these helps in keeping your hydration status well. In summers you can also have buttermilk with meals or without meals. The last point is limit goitrogens and soya. So even though goitrogens and soya are safe in moderate quantity, but it's always safe to keep them away if you have better food choices. If you consume goitrogens in excess form, it will disturb your medication that you are taking for hypothyroidism. So with this, we come at the end of this video, and remember, it's the food that is your real medicine, not the allopathy medicine. So give this 30-day diet plan for hypothyroidism a try and take one step forward for the ultimate wellness. So if you like this plan, feel free to share it with your loved ones so they too get the benefits, as sharing is caring. And let me know if you want me to explain the diet plan for different other conditions in the comment box below. I will come up with the plan and solutions for any problem you are going through. Thanks for watching this video. I am Tanya and I am a nutritionist. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, and if you like this video, please hit the like. I'll see you soon in my next video series. Till then, eat healthy and stay healthy with Health Fit Nutrition.